Joe Feng Creative here again. That is the window that I have completely restored on the outside, still got the inside to do, on this lovely 17th century, I think 1610 or something it was built. On to the next job. The job is literally endless on this building, which is obviously what you get with old properties, but absolutely beautiful. So we're on the next job, which is taking out any loose, cracked, broken, loose mortar. Absolutely never ending. I think this is an old barn or cowshed or something that's been turned into a kitchen now, modernised. You can see I've started taking out all the broken old crumbling bricks. Managed to get some reclaimed bricks from elsewhere for cheap. So I've now finished pulling out all the loose, broken, cracked, etc. bricks, and now starting the process of using or reusing what bricks I can to fill all the holes. Even all the way up there, just absolutely loose as hell. Still got all the mortar to rip out. Unfortunately, most of it is limecrete. Okay, so I've finished cleaning up all the bricks that I want to use. It's a case of doing a puzzle. So I've found the bricks I want to use. I've cleaned off the face of the bricks that I want to use, simply using a window scraper carefully so you don't affect the face of the bricks too much, because they were so old and crumbly. Just using an old blade on a window scraper, something like that, just to restore what we can. Unfortunately with this wall, I'm literally doing the bare minimum. So now it's a case of putting the puzzle back together with the bricks that I've selected to try and make it basically look nice aesthetically. So this is where these are going, and that one's going in there. It's the wrong colour because it's wet, but we'll get it dry by tomorrow. And constantly, because we live in the southwest of England, having to think about tonight and the weather. Okay, so I'm now going to start digging out all the old joints. I'm actually using a drill because of the shape and nature. You don't want to damage all the brickwork, the face of the brickwork, because they're all old reclaimed bricks. You've hardly got any proper right angles or verticals, so obviously people are using an angle grinder, but because it's so soft, I don't want to damage any of the brickwork. I'm actually using a drill, and also so soft. Alright, pretty much finished digging out all the loose necessary bricks, keep finding more and more, but dug out all the old mortar, only doing the bare minimum because that's what the customer stroke house owner wants, literally the bare minimum. Almost a whole bag of old mortar, still some more to clean up, and yet more bricks come out. It's now starting to rain, so I'll go and cut those bricks in the shed, come back to it in a bit and see what the weather does. So all old mortar, where needed, removed, brushed out. I even hoovered it out. New sill, new bit of sealant around the window. Just added some waterproof rubber strips on the inside of the windows. So there's water ingress going in there. Old pipe hole filled in. Other little bits of brickwork. Repointed bits of the patio, just with leftover, and even had to rebuild this drain because of water ingress going into the building, and now I've got to go and sort out the inside, take the skirting off, etc, etc, but looks really good. Customer's happy.